Hi guys, install my Paperlike iPad screen protector with me. This is what you get with your purchase. And in this particular piece, there is a QR code in the back and the step-by-step tutorial online. That's exactly what I did. You start off by cleaning your screen and then wiping it dry, placing the screen protector on top, and then you have all this pieces at the bottom that you need to pull. Follow the instructions in the video and it tells you exactly which one to pull at what time. When you reach this point, don't mind the air that you see any air bubbles, but be sure to flatten out each part every time you pull out a piece. At this point, that's when you want to get out any air bubbles that you see. Go ahead and do that. And at the very end, we pull out these two pieces respectively. And if you still see any air bubbles, go ahead and get rid of those. And that is your Paperlike iPad screen protector installed. And I have to say, I've heard a lot of things about this, but trying it for myself kind of get the point. It feels like paper. I think you guys can also hear it. I'm very happy about this purchase. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.